Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can create Kakaotalk account passcode. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. First thing, you need to open your Kakaotalk application on your device. Once you open the application, all you need to do is to tap on the setting icon at the top right corner, then go to general settings. Once you are at the general settings, you need to tap on privacy. From privacy, you need to tap on lock screen. So here, as you can see, the lock screen option is off. So I can either select the pattern to unlock the Kakaotalk when I open Kakaotalk and it will be locked. So if I want to unlock it, I will use either the pattern or you can create a passcode. So we need to create a passcode. We'll tap a passcode here, and all you need to do is to enter the passcode that you want. I will enter this one. And then you need to re-enter that one once again. And now, as you can see, the passcode has been created. If I go back, open the Kakaotalk application again, and now they say that I need to enter the passcode. And as you can see, when I enter the passcode, I can't enter into my Kakaotalk application. So guys, this is all it takes to create a passcode for your Kakaotalk account. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.